Okay, happy Monday, and I am not there, and I promised you guys a video that I would make for you to help you understand the goal setting skill cues. So on Google Classroom, attached below one of this video is something called goal setting skill cues. Go ahead and open that. On that, you're going to go down until you see the page that looks like this. So we are going to find the goal setting standard 6 for grades 6 through 8. The beginning first pages will be more of the elementary ones. You want to find the one that looks like this. So you're going to flip through all of those pages until you find this. And that's what we're going to talk about. Okay, so everything we're going to learn in health this year has to do with skills. So skills that will help you out in life and skills that will help you to make healthy decisions for the things that you do. In each of those, we'll talk a little bit more about different content areas. So this one for this week is everything we do will be on goal setting, and we're going to wrap it around your fitness scores and work on making solid goals. You've written goals about your fitness, and now we're going to work on adding SMART goals, which we'll eventually get to. So today you're going to do an activity where you're going to find a pretend person and their fitness scores, and you are going to analyze their fitness scores based on these goal setting skill cues. So let's talk through them. First one is, see, everything's backwards on here when I do this. Assess. So the first step in setting goals is to assess your current health. So you're going to think about what you have that you're really good at as far as PE goes and your fitness goals. So just think in your head. Is cardio something that you're really good at, something that you're strong at? Are push-ups, so upper body strength? Do you think you're fast? So is your speed something that you're currently really good at? For me, if I was going to assess my current health, I would tell you that cardio is my strong point. And then an area for improvement would be my flexibility. That is always something I'm going to be working on. So just think in your head. You don't have to write anything down right now, but think in your head. If you were going to assess your current health in regards to your fitness, what would be your strengths and your weaknesses? Then when you set a goal, you want to identify the area you want to work on. So thinking about those areas of improvement that I just said, I would want to work on my flexibility. And so that would be something that I'd think about and identify. Create is something we will work on a lot over the next week. Creating a SMART goal to maintain or improve your health. So I would write a SMART goal to go along with that. We will talk about this further. So if you remember and you want to try it, a SMART goal has to be specific, something very, very specific. So I would like to improve my flexibility by getting a 12 on the sit and reach. That's very specific. Measurable would be something that I can go in and say, yes, I did it, or no, I didn't. So I could measure 12 on the sit and reach. I would tell if I did it or not. A is attainable, so something you can actually get to. I could get to 12 because I had 11 last time, so that would be an attainable goal for me. R stands for realistic. That is a realistic goal for me. And then T would be timely. And if you notice, when I said my goal, I did not tell you when I would reach it by. So timely, I would like to reach my goal by the end of the semester. Then I would record, reflect, and evaluate my goal. So I'd write down what my goal is. I would track how I'm doing at my goal, what things am I doing to reach my goal. And then if I am doing good things to help me reach my goal, or maybe if I'm not doing the right things to reach my goal. That is the last step that we'll talk through. So again, this whole week, we are going to talk through all of these: assess, identify, create, apply, record, reflect, evaluate. We're going to talk through all of those. Today is just your first day of looking at them and for me to kind of share this information with you. You will see these again today in the activity that you do, and then you're going to talk through them with the people at your table. Tomorrow, we're going to do a little game, a little check-in quiz to see where you're at, if you're understanding it after day one, and then that will help me decide what I'm going to teach you the following day. Okay, so that's your little lesson on goal setting. Again, this is in that file that's attached on Google Classroom, and then you can look through these, and you'll use them today in your activity. Okay, hope the day is going well. I'll see you on Tuesday.